Kaylee Ackerman here with the Central Park Scoop and Focus Real Estate. So Ring doorbells can be really cool, but when they're not working, it can be really frustrating to try to troubleshoot. So for about the past month, our Ring doorbells have been offline. The system's telling us that it's because there's no power to the units, which we're not so sure that's the case. They're hardwired, nothing's tripped, everything else in the house is working. So we called Ring, and Ring doesn't have their own tech support. They referred us back to the company that did the install. When we called them, it was going to be about $125 to have someone come out and take a look. We figured, you know what? Let's try to troubleshoot it on our own. So we've done one so far. It went well. We figured we'd turn on the camera, show you how we did it, and save you some time and money as well. The first thing you'll want to do is find the installation tools inside your Ring doorbell box. Once you have the orange and silver pieces, put them together to assemble a screwdriver-like device. Then use it to remove the screw on the bottom side of the Ring doorbell. Next, you're going to want to carefully remove the housing from around the Ring doorbell and locate the orange setup button on the right side. Press and hold the setup button for about 10 seconds. The lighted ring on the front of the doorbell should gradually fill up. This can take a couple of minutes. Once the lighted ring is completely full, it should switch to a circulating white light. This should mean that it's ready to go. You can test it by pressing the button and seeing if the light turns to blue.
It has to go full circle.
Okay. Check to make sure the doorbell can be heard from inside the house before putting the cover back on and securing it with the screw on the bottom. This isn't going to solve all of your Ring doorbell issues, but hopefully it'll troubleshoot one of the most common ones.